Bro, this bitch move, bro. No kizzy. No cap. Outside of the car. xDrive. Bro, this bitch move, bro. No kizzy. No cap. This bitch move, bro. Hold up. Let me stop playing with these niggas. Hold on, I gotta do the launch control. Damn, I don't even know how to activate that shit. Damn, Loudy, where the fuck is you at? I'ma just do a brake boost. Like, fuck it. This bitch is cold, bro. I don't give a fuck. Nobody talking about. Hell no. Watch this shit. This bitch is, bro. I got to. I don't give a fuck about no muscle car. This bitch is cold. This is luxury at its finest. What the sunroof talking about? Damn, I don't even know how to open this bitch.
I don't either.
Damn, I can't even get the full experience.
I think it's this.
Oh, it might be. Oh yeah, we lit. I'm gonna have to wait for these cars to go by. But, bro, this M340i, this bitch something serious, no cap. I'm about to see something. Bro, this bitch about to be moving when I'm done with it, bro. Hell no. Bro. You like it now a little more? This bitch cold. No cap. Let me try the comfort mode. Sport individual. No. Comfort, nigga. Comfort mode.
At this point, I can't wait to see you put 10 on this bitch and get a running.
Yeah, this bitch is cold. Lower it, make it way faster.
Yeah.
Bro, this thing gonna be crazy.
Roll down the window. That was crazy.
Voice command. All-wheel drive so I can drive it in the winter.
Okay. This is a
Feel
good
me?
investment.
Man. Yeah, this junk is cold. No cap.
You said some bigger tires.
Yeah. Come on, bro. You know I'm gonna make this junk look sweet.
Yeah, I believe. Are you not hearing
Huh? I might take it for another roll. She living life though, and then mate, they ain't even letting her drive that bitch. She just in a passenger like, I wanna take this bitch on the freeway. They got the little stop start shit too.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Bro, this ain't comfort.
Bro, you can literally...
His sport mode. The sport button. One more time. One more time. There we go. Bro.
I like it.
Yeah, big dog
It's
status.
not loud.
Nah, it's definitely gonna be loud when I'm done with it. So it ain't loud or nothing. It don't even feel, bro. I like this. This is called no cap.
I still don't think it's fair. We should get a Camaro.
That Camaro costs too damn much.
Okay, whatever.
Let me take my ass back. What I need to get on the freeway for? This bitch fast everywhere. I do this shit in the parking lot. Hey, bro.
It just feels lighter. It don't feel heavy.
It feel like luxury. Like, no cap. Like, I never liked BMWs, bro. But, like, the new shit, this shit is out cold. And you want me to get this? Sound dumb.
What?
And it's way cheaper. And I can make it faster than that.
Okay.
Come on, bro. Like, it's no thought process, bro. Like, this bitch is cold. Yes, sir. No cap. Man, look at this, man. Full digital. Chilling. You comfortable as hell.
You literally got every button at your fingertip on the steering.
This be moving, bro. This bitch be moving. This bitch be moving. No cap. Bro, I like this car, bro. Like, this the one, for sure. You know what I'm gonna do to this car,
Yes,
bro.
I do.
Like, I ain't even worried about that. It's the performance, bro. This junk is crazy. Okay.
Yeah, I like this.
Y'all be worried about the wrong things.
Okay, now.
They got a vet up here. Yeah, this bitch is cold. I just want to play with the modes and stuff right fast. Chilling in this bitch. Oh, stop playing with me. Park.
It's so weird.
So look, just a little. I don't know what the hell this doing. You know what? I'm gonna leave this alone because I really don't know what the fuck. All right. Anyway. So I want to see how you do launch control. Sport Plus.
Oh, it's right
I think
there.
it's traction control all the way off, and then you just hit it.
I
think this volume and stuff. These are paddle shifters. All that good stuff. Yeah, this boy is cold. I don't even know how to turn these on. Okay. Ooh, that's heat. Yeah, this.
Now, do this massage.
Yeah, I don't know. This junk is heat for sure.